Hey everyone, Mark Wilson, Tri-State Restorations. We're here from Middletown, Maryland on a mold inspection, what we do every day. So we wanted to shoot a quick video, give you a sneak peek at it. What we got here is we were called in on a long-term leak. These people were going ahead and remodeling their shower and uncovered this mess that's been going on for a long time. So we're coming in, we're going to go ahead and contain the areas surrounding. We're going to remove all the porous material, the drywall, the framing, get everything dried out real well. Come back, do our cleaning, pepper vacuuming, damp wiping, fogging for the HEPA sandwich. We're going to set up an air filtration, keep the air filtration devices going throughout the duration to bring down the spore count. So we want to get those containments up nice and tight. That's the most important remediation, not to cause cross-contamination. And then at the end, we always tell people, we don't do the testing if we hire us to do the remediation. We don't think it's the most ethical, but we always recommend after remediation that you go ahead and get your areas tested to make sure that we did a good job. So this is a pretty straightforward one. We're looking forward to help these people out. So just a little quick video, and just everybody have a nice week. And also, if you have any questions about this or our services, please feel free to give us a call at any time. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.